So guys, I'm back with my new video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to receive the videos as soon as I release them. So today I'm going to tell about DDoSing any website using Android phone in termux only. Okay, so let's get started. Open termux first. And so here we have to git clone. I will give the description link in the description. So just select all, copy it and paste here and then enter. So it is cloning into Hulk and see it's done. ls see the package named Hulk came. So cd Hulk ls, so you can see 4 files license and the main thing the Hulk.py. So we will run this script python to Hulk.py and then the site name. I just created a website just for testing DDoS, nothing else. Okay, so copy and paste it here. So Hulk attack has been started. See, and I'm going to do this in many more sessions also. So python to Hulk.py and then paste the website. Okay, and again cd Hulk, sorry, cd Hulk, python to Hulk.py and then the website and then enter cd Hulk, I have opened 4 sessions and all these 4 sessions are continuing the Hulk attack. So we can check the website and let's check it. So I'm going to open Chrome and here I'm going to type the address which I'm DDoSing. So it's my copied address. So I'm getting that only. See, it's not down till now, so I have to wait a little bit for it to be down. See, here it's Hulk attack started, so let's wait for some time. Okay, so here as you can see that our website is down, it's not opening, this site can't be reached, might be temporarily down or it may have moved to a permanent address. So our script worked. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe our video and press the bell icon as soon so that you can receive my videos as soon as I release them. And now I'm gonna stop my video. Thanks a lot for watching my video. Hope you liked it.